Hello everyone, welcome to Academic Access. Get a daily dose of 10 questions in 2 minutes. Important monuments. Inca Citadel, Machu Picchu is located in which country? Peru. Where is Christ the Redeemer statue located? Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. It is located in Corcovado Mountain in Tijuca Forest National Park. In which city Opera House is located? Sydney, Australia. It is used as venue for performing multiple arts. Where is the Leaning Tower of Pisa located? Italy. The tower is leaning nearly 4 degrees because of the unstable foundation. Where is the Eiffel Tower located? In Paris, France. Eiffel Tower is a wrought iron lattice tower. How long is the Great Wall of China? The Great Wall of China is over 6,000 kilometers. Where is Kremlin located? Moscow, Russia. The name Kremlin means fortress inside a city. Where is Imperial Palace located? Tokyo. It is the main residence of the Emperor of Japan. The Great Pyramid and the Sphinx of Giza is located in which country? Egypt. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to USA in 1886? France. The statue commemorates the friendship between the US and France that began during the American Revolution. And now it's time for question of the day. In which state the main monument of India, Taj Mahal, is located? Leave your answer in the comment section below. If you like my videos and want to let me know, please hit the like button. And I will be posting videos daily to the best of my ability. So subscribe and also leave a comment if you have any topics for me to post. Thank you for watching.